Did you know that for the last 25 years, scientists have been hearing something deep beneath the ocean that sounds exactly like a heartbeat? Not a machine, not an animal, a slow, steady thump. It started with a single hydrophone in the Pacific. Researchers thought it was a glitch until other sensors thousands of miles away picked up the same rhythm, same timing, same pattern, like something massive was pulsing under the seafloor. What's worse, the sound gets louder every year. Marine biologists ruled out whales, wrong frequency. Submarines? Impossible, too deep. Underwater volcanic activity doesn't repeat this perfectly for decades. Then came the chilling part. The heartbeat changed tempo, speeding up, almost like responding. Last month, the signal stopped for exactly 12 minutes, total silence. And when it came back, it was closer, louder, like whatever's down there moved. Some say it's a creature, others say it's something waking up. But one thing's certain, the ocean isn't quiet, it's alive.